today my Nana and Papa are out here all the way from the farm, like 3 hours away, to go up to the mountains. So we're hoping on seeing some wild horses because my Nana loves horses, and it should be pretty. It's kind of dark out right now, but I'm hoping the sun comes out.
Trail that comes down to the river and runs along the river here. It's about a 10-minute ride from the house. From where I live, or our house here isn't very far.
Yeah, we're probably
We
just
just
across
had to go
it.
around. Yeah, so
It's so green over there. What do you think?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
oh, so pretty. Mom, photographer.
People that live down here getting in and out of burgers might be interesting.
Yeah, I was thinking if anyone lives out here, they'd have to have a good supply.
Yeah.
usually we come out here and you hardly see anybody.
Well, I said to Dad, the roads aren't bad if it wasn't for the dust.
Like we've all a lot of
Well,
gravel and stuff back in here.
Didn't you have to bring the tow truck out here when you
All
had...
the time.
Oh, yeah, I said, I remember one incident that he talked about. Dad says, well, he's down here probably all the time. Oh, yeah.
Some wild horses. Wow. Just a mountain, literally.
We'll just go slow.
This is the steepest climb, yeah. As a kid, I used to run up here. Made it.
Don't have a heart attack because I'd have to run back to the truck.
It's getting windy. But like, we literally can just drive to the mountains. Long drive, but it's all worth it. Like, the sun's kind of cut off, but like, we're just in the mountains now, literally. Oh, Ooh. I farted on you. Not much. Look at how cool the wall looks. Whew, that wind. Near the river.
Depending on time too, if we go back down, there's a trail you can walk that long street all the way to the bottom.
No, uphill climb. Nice open prairie. Mountains, it's so pretty here. continue onwards. There's beside me. It's so pretty out here. I just wish it wasn't so windy. And the dust. Oh. We think this is the right trail. It's pretty steep, but ah, I think it's so cool how the stone here is like square, right? Now I'm not sure where. Oh, there they are. At the waterfall. Just take the horses down to the river. Run down this hill like idiots. Ready? Watch out for the dookie! Jump right down. Taking a different trail back now that it's really harsh. That's good. So much poop though. Poop everywhere. Oh, this is probably the horse trails. Dookie.
Sure, like the idea of them hauling heavy equipment in here, but yeah. Yeah, so that'll bring
All the Halloween stuff's out. Oh, that's fun.
You know, it's first days of fall and people are like, it's not gonna be like this.
That's what I was saying to Dad.
So they left a little while ago, and I am now under my cozy little blanket. Gonna do some stuff. But yeah, the hike was nice. I wish it wasn't so windy out, but it wasn't raining, so I'll take it. And I got a very nice meal. So, good day overall.